Good morning, guys. We're going to go over the question, which relationship represents a function? So our key word here is function. So the first thing you should do is circle this word and identify, what exactly is a function. Well, we know that every x has one y value. So every x has exactly one y value. So you should write this definition down. Every x has one y value. So when we're looking at this, we have three different answer choices. We have some coordinates, we have a table, and then we have mapping. These are called mappings. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at our coordinates first. When we're looking at our coordinates, we're gonna create a mapping. That's the easiest way to look at these. So I'm gonna come work over here off to the side and create a mapping. So I have -4 paired up with the number 6. Well, this x is with one y value. I have -3 paired up with +6. Is it okay for the y's to be partnered with more than one x? Yes, but not the x values. I have -2 is paired with 5, and I have -4 is paired with a 5. Do any of these x values repeat? Do they repeat? -4 repeats. -4 is paired with a 6 and is paired with a 5. So if this -4 repeats, this is not a function. So that means that this -4 value is paired with a 6 and a 5. So the way I'm also going to look at this is I'm looking at my x values, -4, -3, -2, -4. I can see that this -4 right here makes this not a function because the -4 repeats. So this we're going to say is not a function. So that's not my answer. That's not what I'm looking for. So now let's go to B. We have a table, but we're going to put it in a mapping. So we're going to do -2 is paired with 1, 0 is paired with 6, 2 is paired with 4, and 4, we can do it like this as well if we wanted to. 4 is also paired with 6. So remember, I'm only looking at my x values right here. Are each of these x values paired with only one y value? Now, I don't care about this y value. I only care about the x values, -2, 0, 2, and 4. They're only represented once each time. So yes, this is a function. Yes, this is a function. Now, we're not done. Let's go ahead and do the mapping here at the bottom just to make sure. So I see that -3 is paired with 12. 0 is paired with 6, and 7 is paired with 7. But I also see that -3 is paired with 7. So when I look at this -3 right here is paired with more than one y value. This x is paired with more than one y value. So that makes this not a function. So I'm going to put not a function. So remember that your x values can only have one y partner. So when it's asking us which relationship represents a function, the only one that represents a function would be B. B is our function. I hope this helps you out. Take a look at it. Make sure you understand what you're looking for when you're looking for a function. We're only looking at the x values. Does it repeat? Is it partnered with more than one partner? If it has more than one partner, that means it's not a function. So my answer would be B in this example.